Then we will put in total temp. It's equal to total temp that it has the last value plus temperature that it's the number that the user enters. If the user entered 36, it will be 0 plus 36. Every time the user enters the temperature, it will go through the if condition. It will add it in the suitable variable if it's greater than or equals to 0, or if it's less than 0. Then we will get out from the if condition by writing and if. Then we will add the total temperature, that is the last value saved in variable temperature, plus the new temperature that the user enters. Then we will continue to next count. We mean by it, we will keep adding the count till it reaches the 100. When the count reaches the 100, it will get out from the loop 4 and print to the user how many times the user enters value of temperature that is greater than or equal to 0, which is T1 0 or more, and also will show how many times the user entered temperature less than 0 that it's saved in variable T2 less than 0. We write it by putting a print, and we put the two variables between brackets and use a comma to split between the first variable and the second variable. Then we need to make the mean for the temperature. So we have a variable named mean temperature. We put in it the total temp that we saved in it, the total temperatures the users enter, in case it was greater than or equal to 0 or it was less than 0. Then we divided it by 100 since it's the total numbers that the user entered. By that, we will get the mean temperature that it's saved in variable mean temperature. Then we use condition print to show the user the calculation of the mean. We put the print and beside it the variable that it's called mean temperature. So if the user entered 60 times a temperature that is greater than or equals to 0, it will print 60. And if the user entered 40 times a temperature that is less than 0, it will be shown to the user as 40. And the total temperature is, for example, 1960. We will divide it by 100, so we will get 19.6. So 19.6 will be shown as the mean temperature to the user.